Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard juice at home. First, let's get our ingredients and tools ready. You'll need custard powder, milk, sugar, and some water. Make sure you have a good saucepan, a whisk for smooth mixing, and your favorite serving glasses. Picking a custard powder flavor you love will make your juice even more delicious and personalized. Now, let's prepare the custard base. Take about 2 tablespoons of custard powder and place it in a small bowl. Add just a little bit of cold milk, perhaps 1/4 of a cup, and stir it thoroughly. You want to create a completely smooth, lump-free paste. This crucial step ensures your custard juice will be silky and consistent, avoiding any unwanted lumps later on. Next, we'll cook our custard juice. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of milk with 4 tablespoons of sugar and heat it over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Once simmering, slowly pour in your prepared custard paste while continuously whisking. Keep stirring for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture thickens to your desired consistency. This constant whisking is key for a smooth result. Finally, it's time to chill and enjoy your homemade custard juice. After cooking, let the juice cool down completely at room temperature. Once cooled, transfer it to a pitcher or individual glasses and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is essential for the best flavor and texture. For other great finds, like the O-Ala water bottle to stay hydrated, check out the links and deals in the description below. Serve your delicious, chilled custard juice and savor every sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.